Hey everybody, it's JMac again, or Recon Networks on YouTube. I am making this video today because quite a few people were a little bit confused by the whole concept of pointers and how they work. And I've had a lot of questions on my website about it, so I wanted to elaborate and make it more easily understandable. So basically, I've got all of my stuff declared as well as a pointer function. Like just a void return function. I've already explained that, and it seems like everybody kind of understands what's going on there, so I'm not going to explain it. But basically, what I'm going to go through is these. Everybody's getting confused as to how to use them and why they're used in the first place. So basically, let's get started by commenting this out, and we're not even going to think about it right now. I won't even do the end, but you understand what I'm doing there. So doing this is pointless. To declare a pointer in main is right now, especially for using small programs, there's no point to doing it, because passing variables to functions can be done through main without actually making them a pointer. Passing them from the function back to main is the problem, right? So you want to use the pointers in functions. Using them in main, there's no point. Okay, so we're going to go back to this pointer function here. I've declared two pointers. As you can see, they're up in my variable declaration inside the argument list. Then I'm going to actually do the variable. Maybe I should just copy it and be a little bit easier. The function is now up there. You have to do that as well. I explained that. Okay, so these two things, the pointers. What we want to do is, your function is obviously doing something for you. That's what you're making it for. So let's say you're wanting the user to average two numbers or add them. Let's say we're just gonna add them. We'll do something simple. So we're just going to add the two numbers that you want to add, or enter the two numbers that you want to add, sorry. And then we'll do a cin for star pi pointer. Oh. And we all understand how that works, so it's nothing to really worry about. Okay, so these right now, inside the function, are being stored just as if you were storing int I1, whatever, like an integer, right? They have no passing value right now, just because they're being used inside the function. But if you know like I tried to explain how functions work, now that we've actually declared it up in the top, we can call it in main. So let's go pointer function, and then we're going to want to declare two variables, right? Because we're passing the addresses. So we'll do int first pointer and int second pointer. Okay, so the pointers themselves are actually going to be added into these variables here by passing the address into them. So the address of first pointer and the address, oh, where is it? And the address of second pointer. Okay, right now this will then mean the exact same thing as this. They're passing, this value is being passed to this value inside main, but it's the address of it. So if we were to do like, let's do this here. After they're inputted, we'll do like cout first pointer. Oh, let's do the cout the address. Oh, where is it again? The address of first pointer. We're going to save it. Start without debugging. Enter the two numbers. Oh, jeez, what did I do here? Enter the two numbers that you want to add. So we'll go 12 and 12. And you see this weird number here? That's the address of this pointer, because the address has now been passed to this variable. Now if you take that out, and you actually, now the variable has been, once it's been passed, it's actually been converted to the same value, because it's storing the same information in the memory, right? So now let's do the same thing. We'll do 12 and 12. And now it's counting 12, because it's actually taken the address, stored it in the variable, and now the variable can be used as if it's the same thing. Okay, so that's just to make it a little bit more sense. So now we'll just finish it off here, because we can. We'll do, we'll store another one here. We'll do int result, and then int result, result equals first pointer plus second pointer, and then cout result and L, and might as well cout and end L here as well. Okay, again, 12, 12, and then 24. Okay, so I hope that makes a little bit more sense to you. Here I'm just going to scroll down and show how all that works there. You may have not been able to see it at all now that I think about it. So you're seeing in PI pointer, or cin PI pointer 1, PI pointer 2, enter the two numbers that you want to add, just basic stuff, right? So I already talked about this part in the last tutorial. It's pretty easy stuff. So it's this part that everybody was confused about, how to actually use them. So anyway, that's it for today. If you have any more questions, reconnetworks.com, as you already know. And that's it. Thanks for watching.